Now, with rehearsals and pre-IFA celebratory dinners, Bollywood is pretty much rocking the western shores, whipping up a total party scene at the ongoing IFA weekend. So while some stars are super excited about their big IFA performances, there are others donning the best fashion pics on the coveted green carpet.
B-Town's Fashion Brigade was seen parading the green carpet at IFA 2014. The green carpet of Magic of the Movies, the technical awards, saw a host of stars shining bright. But much before the stars began flocking onto the green carpet, we spotted the hosts, Saif Ali Khan and Veer Das, rehearsing for the final act.
We are at the amphitheatre in Tampa Bay, and as you can see behind me, the hosts Veer Das and Saif Ali Khan are rehearsing for Magic of the Movies. Magic of the Movies is a technical awards where people behind the scenes from the film fraternity will be awarded, and this is a special segment included in IFA this year.
So good to be here in Mumbai.
Veer, what are you talking about? We're in Tampa. Tampa, Florida.
ये Tampa नहीं है, ये मुंबई है. देखो, विभाषा बैंड्रा में रहती है, सोनाक्षी lives in अंधेरी.
Yes. Veer, don't you remember? हम अपने beautiful sponsorship गाड़ी में बैठ के, टाटा बोर्ड में बैठ के, अंधेरी से राइट जाके, यूरोप से लेफ्ट जाके, ग्रीनलैंड से यूटर्न मार के, कनाडा के नीचे आके, स्पोर्ट्स बोर्ड में लगा के, फ्लोरिडा पहुंचे.
A bevy of stars walked the green carpet, dressed in some striking ensembles. Right from the biggies that included the likes of Hrithik Roshan, Deepika Padukone, Madhuri Dixit, Sridevi, along with family and Bipasha Basu. To the newbies, Vaani Kapoor, Parineeti Chopra. To the IFA regulars, Anil Kapoor, Vivek Oberoi, Boman Irani, everyone made sure to make their presence felt at the Magic of the Movie green carpet.
I'm wearing Sonakshi Raj, and it's like a sari gown, so it's like a best of both worlds.
I think it'll be fun. I think it's there are some friends who are there today, and hopefully I think what I feel they're going to win.
And the color that caught everyone's fancy for the evening was white. Leading the pack in a pristine white Marchesa gown was Sridevi. Hair up in a chignon and some crystal detailing at the waist, the lady worked the look like a dream. But the woman who stole all eyes was the svelte stylista Vaani Kapoor, making an edgy fashion statement in a monochrome ensemble. Vaani made things rather risque with her neckline. And doing it all black like a bomb was the petite beauty Aditi Rao Hedri. A black two-piece by Payal Khanna and some layered gold jewellery, we'd say she looked like $1 million. And even though this year's Queen Bee made a last-minute entry at the do, the wait was every second worth it. Miss Padukone, in a shimmering gold Sabyasachi ensemble with ox-blood lips and a Grecian hairdo, looked breathtaking. Here again, she reigned at the green carpet.
Sabyasachi, yeah. You can make out, no? Yeah. No? Okay.
It's very nice.
Anyway, it's Sabya, and he made this specially for me, so thank you. So it's nice. Today I'm a bit calm. Tomorrow I won't be so calm, and tomorrow I'm going to be like a bundle of nerves because there's the red carpet, and then there's the performance, and then there's the 3 nominations, but that's like secondary.
For the men, it was Hrithik Roshan cutting a suave picture in a blue-black tuxedo, promising one hell of a performance.
What would you like to look forward to?
10 times as good as
10 times! Oh my God! 10 times as good as my last one. Well, okay. Just for you, I will make that happen.
Okay.
Tomorrow night is going to be my performance, which will be 10 times better than the last one.
Okay.
All right, just for you.
So while some chose to keep it clean and classic, there were others willing to experiment.
Except I want to try different things and see how it goes. If this doesn't go well, then I know what doesn't work for me. I think that's the only way to go forward because I can't sit at home and try dresses on myself. I have to come out in the open. No.
So with a curtain raiser like that, it's only fair to say that the most awaited night is sure going to be one glamorous carnival. With Manisha Meheldar in Tampa Bay, Florida. Entertainment Bureau, headlines today.